help you, whether with information o mga forums. Let us all get connected. The proposals that you do, kung mayroong update, i-feedback nyo naman sa amin or padala ninyo sa amin. We could probably get you in touch with groups like, of course, yung Scrapboard Network nila Noemi, siguro yung geek.com.ph, yung mga geeks ng Pilipinas, and also the Right to Know Right Now Coalition. Yun po yung aming mga grupong pinabibilangan. Of course, the Philippine Press Institute would be happy to have also some activities na pwede nilang tutukan bilang storya or kwento dun sa kanilang civic journalism project. So, madalas pag may forum na ganito, parang enjoy lang habang nandun yung forum, pero pag uwi, kung sasabi ni Ariel, baka naman nakalimutan. We want you to have some takeaways na parang sana hindi lang simpleng maiiwan sa isip, kundi sana isa katuparan sa kung ano man yung pwede nyong gawin. Spread a word, keep more people informed, and probably we will be better off. Baka yung sustained energy at interest dito sa usaping ito ay magpatuloy. Well beyond the rhetoric, well beyond what the parang formalities of a BICAM conference na kunyari open, hindi naman pala, may executive session din. So, just be sure that we know perfectly well the story of our government, the story of governance in the Philippines, because then we could be better citizens. At they said it's really about you committing to be a better citizen. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at happy trip dito sa ating mga babiyahe pa sa Los Baños.